Transform your home into a sanctuary of peace and comfort with these simple yet effective homemaking tips. Number 1, create a calming entrance. The entrance is the first thing that you see when you get into the home. So in order to create an ambiance of calm and serenity, be sure that your entrance is reflecting this as well. Ensure that your entryway is welcoming and clutter-free. You can achieve this by doing methods such as decluttering, using bins to corral your items, and having a place for everything. A tidy and aesthetically pleasing entrance sets the tone for the rest of the home. It also helps to offer a sense of peace as soon as we walk through the doors. Incorporating natural elements throughout your home is a surefire way to set up your home to be peaceful and welcoming. Plants also help to purify the air, which will help us to breathe better, breathe deeper, and feel more at peace in general. Whenever possible, opt for warm and soft lighting rather than harsh overhead lights. Be sure to use things such as lamps, candles, or even string lights to achieve a calming effect. This also helps to produce a cozy and inviting atmosphere that helps to promote relaxation. I don't know about you, but whenever I use these kind of lightings, I just feel like curling up with a good book and a cozy blanket. Setting aside specific areas in our home as quiet zones will help to promote the peace and serenity within our home. This can be places such as reading nooks or any corner where families can retreat to relax and unwind. Sometimes we are having a difficult day and a lot of loud noises and chaos can overwhelm us to a certain extent. So therefore, setting certain areas in our home where noise and distractions are minimized can be super critical for mental health and peace and tranquility. If you want, feel free to take it a step further by labeling the home as the peace and quiet home. I did this in my own home. It was a perfect opportunity as we were moving. We now designated it the peace and quiet home, setting 1 or 2 places in case we need to be extra excited. This has really helped the overall tone in our homes and even the children's behavior as a result. If you want to achieve the most peaceful and calm home possible, you must declutter. There is no way to get around decluttering. The more things that we have, the more stress that we feel, the more visual clutter, which also causes stress, the more things we have to manage, which also cause stress, and the less time that we have because we're spending it managing these things. Let's keep our home clutter-free by regularly purging the items we no longer need. We can do as little as 5 to 15 minutes a day for maximum impact. Work on small areas in order to reduce overwhelm, and you will see a drastic result. When I had a lot of stuff, I personally did 15 minutes every single day, and the results were drastic even within the first week. A tidy space can help reduce stress and help our homes feel more organized and peaceful. I understand decluttering can be super challenging at first, but I have a ton of videos that you can check out that will help you to make it easier. Create a cozy ambiance all throughout your home to help it feel more calm and peaceful. Soft textures like blankets, cushions, or rugs can help to add warmth and comfort into our home. A cozy ambiance invites relaxation and helps your home feel like a true haven. Another way to get a calm and serene environment is by adding soothing scents. Using essential oils, candles, and diffusers can help to achieve this result. Use calming scents like chamomile, lavender, or vanilla to achieve a calming effect. Aromatherapy can also help to reduce stress and create a more tranquil environment. For your home to truly feel like a haven, it must also feel safe and secure. Ensure your home feels safe by installing good lock, good lighting outside, and consider a security system as well. A sense of security is critical for a home that truly feels like a safe haven. And if you're a believer, do not forget the power of prayer. Be sure to anoint your homes and pray over them any chance that you get. God can do all things, so definitely let's not forget to include Him in our homemaking. If we want a peaceful and serene home, let's be sure that we are encouraging positivity. Let's help to maintain a positive atmosphere by practicing kindness, gratitude, and open communication within our homes. A positive and supportive environment can help to contribute to feelings of safety and well-being. But if you want even more peaceful home tips, then check out this video here and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye!